Hey YouTube, how's it going? Are you trying to install Linux onto a computer for yourself or somebody else, or just to play around with, but you're having a hard time making the bootable USB, or need to know where to find some Linux distros? Well, you've come to the right place. I'm going to help you get that taken care of. So we're going to go ahead, we'll flip over to the web browser here. So, there's a few ways you can find it. They give linuxlookup.com, which you can use if you want. Like, you got different flavors. Obviously, there's a lot more than what's listed here, so you can also go Google search. First things first, obviously, you got to make sure you have your ISO downloaded, which I have my ISO right here in this folder on my D drive. The second program you're going to need is a program called Rufus. So just go to Google or whatever your search engine of choice is. Just search Rufus download. It should be the first link, rufus.ie. You can just come over here. I just download the portable. It works just the same. The only difference is you just don't have to actually physically install it on your computer. The little exe that you download is the program. Now, one thing I must say, you are going to need at least a USB 2.0 thumb drive that's at least about 8 gigs in size for this. Now keep in mind, anything you have on that USB you do want to get off. Okay, so once your ISO has finished downloading, we will jump over to Rufus. So you can see here it's already detected my USB drive. So disk or ISO is what you want to select. Hit select. Navigate to where you have your ISO saved, whether it be desktop, wherever. So right here you can see Elementary OS 5.1 stable. There we go. We can see it's loaded. I just leave this default. Leave that. Leave that. Nothing really. Play it down there. And essentially from here, all you have to do is hit start. So what this is saying is there's something that's newer that it can download. So yeah, just hit yes. You don't have to if you don't want to. But if it's something updated, why not? So this is going back to what I was just mentioned about all the data will be destroyed. Like it's gone. You won't. If you really wanted to, you might be able to recover it as long as it hasn't been overwritten. So you can say OK. And just like that, we were done. So there we have it. The bootable USB has now been successfully created. We are back to go. You can make another bootable USB if you need to, or you can go ahead and you are now ready to install Linux onto whatever machine you're installing it onto. Keep in mind you may or may not have to make some setting changes in the BIOS on the computer you're installing to. That is all dependent up to the machine you're installing it on and the age of the machine as well. I hope this video has helped you out in some way. If it has, hit the like button, drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe, as well as hit the bell notification to be notified of when I upload, go live, make posts, and such things, as well as my social media links are in the description below.